Hey there, art buddies! Are you ready for a super fun drawing adventure? Today we're going to learn how to create the cutest popsicle you've ever seen. Grab your markers, let's get started. Wow, that's amazing! You did a fantastic job drawing your popsicle. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep drawing and experimenting with different colors and styles. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome drawing tutorials. See you next time!